Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not joining mobile game. Let's get started. First, open your Roblox app on your mobile phone and try to join any game. If it's not loading or stuck in joining server, here are the few fixes you can try. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if which one works better. Now go to your phone settings and click the apps and select app management, then here scroll down and find Roblox. Then tap storage and choose clear cache. This removes temporarily files that may cause loading issues. Now, update the Roblox app. Open your Google Play Store and search for Roblox and tap Update if there's a new version available. And after that, you can also restart your device because a simple restart refreshes your phone's connection and fixes minor app issues. If nothing works, uninstall and install the Roblox again, and this refreshes the app completely. And that's it. Try these steps and you should now be able to join games on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.